Hi guys, welcome back to Techzist. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss how to avail Coursera courses for free. So guys, Coursera is one of the most popular platform for e-learning, and Coursera certificates are also most important and play an important role. So a lot of people has asked me about how to avail this Coursera courses for free. And I know many of us can't afford these courses as they have a huge price like $100, $150. So it's not possible for everyone to avail these courses for free. So in this video, we are going to get rid of this problem and we are going to see how to avail Coursera courses for free. So guys, 90% of courses on Coursera has a option called financial aid available. So financial aid available mean those who can't afford the courses, those who can't afford the payment of these courses, Coursera will provide these courses for free. So like if we can't afford to pay, we can get the courses for free. Anyone can apply for the application and avail these courses. So in this video, we are going to see step-by-step process on how to get these courses for free and how to approve our application. So like first of all, you have to log in with any email ID. You have to log in first. After login, you have to explore one course. So let's suppose in the explore section, let me see some courses and IBM data science. So like I want to avail this course. So whether this course has financial aid available or not. So first of all, we have to check it. Okay. Now after checking, we have to click on the option financial aid available. So it gives me a pop-up message. Applications take at least 15 days to get reviewed. So the application that we applied today will get reviewed in 15 days and get approved in 15 days. So that means after 15 days, you will get this course for free. Now you have to continue to the application. So we have to answer some questions as we are requesting Coursera to give the course for us for free. So we have to answer some questions and we have to fulfill that request. Okay. So like it has some questions, it has some options, and we have to also give our personal details. So we have to check both of these options, share accurate information on their application and commits to finishing their Coursera courses. And after that, you have to copy and paste this message, I agree to the terms above. So you have to copy and paste it. After paste it, you have to continue. Now you have to tell about yourself, about your educational background, about annual income, employment status. So if you are like in school or college, you can choose that. So I am currently in college. So I chose some college and my annual income is 00 because I am a student. So I can't have an annual income. And my employment status is currently I am a student. So I chose student. And how much can you afford to pay? So I can't pay anything. So I write it here 00 per month or per course is based on yourself. You can choose any one of the option. Now you have to answer 3 questions. Why are you applying for financial aid? How will taking this course help you achieve your career goals? And the third question is, would you consider using a low interest loan to pay through the courses? So for applying to this course, for applying to this financial aid, I will put a link in description. There is an answer on Quora where you find all the answers of these questions. So I will put link in description. You have to open that link and you have to copy that answer. Okay. So like copy this answer and paste in this section. Now you have to edit this based on your course. Let's suppose I am applying for Python. So on the like data scientist here written data scientist. So this is the course name. So on that place you have to write your course name. So you can edit that. Okay. It's not difficult part. You can edit that. Second answer also you have to copy and paste. So copy and paste. All the 3 answers you have copied and paste. You can write also. It's based on your mood. You can write or copy and paste. There is no restrictions on copy and paste. Coursera will definitely going to approve. Okay. So no problem in copying or pasting, or you can write also. Okay. So we have pasted all the answers and we have give all the answers. Now I am not a robot. You have to recapture this. And after all of these details that you provide like personal and your financial status, you have to submit an application. So click on submit application. We have received your financial aid application. Now you have successfully submitted your application and it said we have received your financial aid application for data scientist and we'll let you know the outcome of your application on November 12. So currently today is 28 and after 15 days it's November 12th. So my application will going to be approved after 15 days. And guys, there is a note. If you choose to start a free trial, then Coursera will decline your application. So please don't start a free trial. You will definitely going to have a full course after 15 days. So no need to worry, okay? Now guys, we do not receive an email, but I have a sample mail and I have applied a course 2 months ago. So there is a mail I can show you. So it's look like this: financial aid available, application received, and thank you, we have received your financial aid application for Google Cloud Platform Fundamentals Core Infrastructure. I have applied for this course. And guys, this is about how to avail Coursera courses for free. So this is the method to avail Coursera courses for free. And guys, 90 to 95% of courses on Coursera having this option. So you can avail these courses for free. This is it for this video, guys, and if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. And guys, we have also started a community called Prep Experts, where we have experts related to a particular field, and on this community we discuss about latest technologies, resources, and we give some quick tips and tricks. So it's basically a lot of fun. This community will provide you many resources, many knowledge. So please make sure to join that community. Link is in description. And thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to follow on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube, like and share this video, and share with your friends too. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.